Okay. Bread, milk, eggs, apples, and pasta. 5 things. I can do this.
Sara and Tom are already there. Good. I don't want to go alone.
Good morning, Shah. You made it.
Good morning. Sorry, am I late?
No, we were early. Come on, let's go in. I need coffee.
Wait, do they sell coffee here? Shah, it's a supermarket. They sell everything. Of course. I knew that.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I'm good to go.
Let's do it.
Wow. It is so big. Where is everything?
It's okay. I know this place well. What do you need?
I have a list. Bread, milk, eggs, apples, and pasta.
Easy. Let's start with bread. Follow me. Why are there so many types of bread? White bread, brown bread, wholemeal bread, seeded bread.
Which one do you usually eat at home?
Honestly, my mum always bought it. I just ate it. Classic. Okay, Shah, just get the white one. Simple. Done.
Okay. 1 down, 4 to go.
Okay. Where are the eggs? This looks like the wrong place. I should ask someone. Excuse me, could you help me? I am looking for the eggs.
Of course. The eggs are in aisle 4, just past the dairy section.
I asked. That wasn't so hard.
Bread, milk, eggs, apples, pasta. That's everything.
I'm impressed. I always forget something.
Really? Even you? Last week I went for milk and came home with crisps and a magazine.
That is very true. I was there.
Okay. I feel better now.
Same time next Saturday?
Only if Shah brings a longer list. I need the entertainment.
Ha. Deal. That was actually fun. I didn't think grocery shopping could be fun. Maybe it's the people you go with.